Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Telegram not sending codes to phone, right? So how you can fix this? Well, to fix this there are several ways to fix it. So first of all, make sure that you are not into your flight mode, right? So you have to turn off your flight mode and make sure your mobile data is on, right? And once you turn it on, then you have to just go to Play Store or App Store and here look for Telegram. And once you look for Telegram, you will get this option of update in the place of see details are open, right? Then update your Telegram right now. So these are some of the ways which you can fix it. Generally this is an issue of network, so maybe you're not in the area of network, or maybe you didn't recharge your phone. So this could be some of the reasons, and if you just fix all this problem, definitely this problem will get your solution, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.